Hello, my name is Larry Courtney. I am the Forklift Product Support Manager for LiuGong, and today we have a 2025A-SC. This is a 5,000 pound capacity lithium electric truck. Starting up front, Cascade forks, Cascade carriage. One of the features that separates LiuGong from a lot of others is our carriage blocks right here. All of our carriages have hydraulics that are terminated at the carriage, all equipped with fourth valve and lever. Coming back, we've got from the forks to the carriage, mast. Mast is made by LiuGong. The carriage and the forks are Cascade. And right here we have a free lift cylinder with all of the hoses going over the top of the free lift cylinder. This free lift cylinder will give us 48 inches of free lift, which means the forks are going to have 48 inches of lift before the inner mast channels start to move. We have our tilt cylinders coming around over to here. These are treaded cushion tires with a wide step on deck with the treaded step. GB connector for your lithium batteries. Treaded tires out back. We have rear view mirrors with front and rear blue lights. LED headlight package. All lifts come standard with the strobe light. Backup camera. Rear LED light, blue light, fire extinguisher, rear handle, Grammer 6-way seat with OPS, the operator presence safety system, equipped with all fourth valve and lever. We got the display for your rear view camera here, tilt column, and then reset tilt. After you've gotten off, you can reset it. Step entry over here with the treaded wide step. Lithium battery. All right, this 2025A-SC is a proven machine and is a perfect fit for multiple applications, for high use applications especially, with the quick charging lithium battery. The lithium battery itself has a 10-year, 20,000 hour warranty. The machine will have a powertrain warranty of 5 years, 10,000 hours, and the rest of the machine will have a 3-year, 6,000 hour comprehensive warranty. Contact your local LiuGong dealer.